Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide delivered text in Messenger. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy, let's say, a guide to this process, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. So guys, there is no any inbuilt function, but there are some alternatives like this. So let's just get started with that one. So first thing, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be going to your Messenger app and then log in with your account, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna be doing the restrictions. So you choose the conversation that you want to hide the delivered text from, and then restrict it, and then now just go to that person again, and now they will not know you will be receiving messages, but the delivery text will be hidden in the Messenger. So that's an alternative way. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.